The Northrop F-5 may not be the largest or most advanced fighter ever built, but it became one of the most successful jet fighters in aviation history. Cheap to operate, easy to maintain, and deadly in capable hands, the F-5 served across the globe for decades. From Cold War battlefields to Hollywood movies and elite aggressor squadrons, the F-5 carved out a legendary reputation. Here are facts about the Northrop F-5, covering its development, combat history, and lasting legacy.
The Northrop F-5 was developed in the 1950s as a lightweight, low-cost, and highly maneuverable fighter. It was designed as part of Northrop's private venture, aiming to create an export-friendly jet for U.S. allies. The aircraft first flew on July 30, 1959. The F-5 was designed with simplicity and cost-effectiveness in mind, making it ideal for nations with limited defense budgets. The jet featured a twin-engine configuration using General Electric J-85 turbojet engines. The J-85 engines were originally designed for the McDonnell ADM-20 Quail decoy missile. The F-5 was developed by Northrop Corporation in the late 1950s. It was designed as a lightweight, low-cost, high-performance fighter. Its development was entirely company-funded at first, without a military contract. Share this with someone that likes fighter jets. The U.S. Air Force wasn't the original customer. The F-5 was intended for Allied export through the Military Assistance Program, EMAP. The first version, the F-5A Freedom Fighter, flew in 1963. Don't forget to follow and comment what you like about the Northrop F-5. It was followed by the F-5E Tiger II, a significantly upgraded model, in 1972. The aircraft features a twin-engine design, using two General Electric J-85 turbojets. These small, efficient engines gave it a top speed of around Mach 1.6, 1,056 miles per hour. The F-5 has supersonic capability but is subtle and small. Its wingspan is just under 27 feet. It was designed for ease of maintenance, especially for developing nations with limited infrastructure. The F-5 has a bubble canopy for excellent pilot visibility. Its airframe uses straightforward systems and analog controls, enhancing reliability. Despite its simplicity, it was equipped with sophisticated avionics for its time. The aircraft carries two 20mm M39 cannons in the nose. It has 7 hardpoints to carry bombs, rockets, or Sidewinder missiles. The F-5 was designed for short takeoff and landing, making it suitable for rough or improvised airfields. Its cockpit layout later influenced the F/A-18 Hornet. The F-5E Tiger II included upgraded engines, radar, and increased range.
Northrop also developed the F-20 Tiger Shark, an advanced F-5 variant that was never adopted. Over 2,600 F-5s were built and exported to more than 30 countries. Though not widely used in U.S. combat operations, The F-5 has seen extensive service worldwide. It played a major role in Vietnam, flown by both the South Vietnamese and later North Vietnamese air forces. The U.S. Air Force used F-5s primarily for training and aggressor roles, especially at Top Gun and Red Flag. Aggressor F-5s were painted in Soviet-style camouflage to simulate MiG-21 tactics. In the Iran-Iraq War, Iranian F-5s were used in air-to-air combat and ground attack missions. Ethiopia and Eritrea both flew F-5s during their border war in the 1990s. The F-5 was used by South Korea, Taiwan, Thailand, Brazil, Chile, Norway, and Switzerland, among many others. Taiwanese F-5s were frequently scrambled to intercept Chinese aircraft. The Royal Norwegian Air Force used F-5s until the early 2000s. Switzerland flew the F-5 as both a fighter and a display aircraft in the Patrouille Suisse. Despite its age, several nations still use the F-5 for training and patrol missions. The F-5 is known for its low operational cost and ease of use. Upgraded versions include modern glass cockpits and radar systems. The aircraft continues to be used as a stealth fighter surrogate in training exercises. Some F-5s have been modified into unmanned drones for missile testing. The F-5 became a symbol of Western-aligned militaries during the Cold War. Its sleek, compact look made it a popular subject for model kits and aviation posters. It was featured in Top Gun, 1986, as the enemy MiGs flown by instructors during training. The F-5 silhouette was similar to the MiG-21, enhancing its role as a visual stand-in. It appeared in video games like DCS World, Ace Combat, and Jane's USAF. The F-5 was one of the few jets that helped smaller nations gain jet fighter experience affordably. Its influence is seen in later designs like the FA-18 and T-38 Talon, a closely related trainer jet. The Northrop F-5 proved that a fighter doesn't need to be massive or expensive to become legendary. Agile, reliable, and battle-tested across decades of conflict, the F-5 earned a permanent place in aviation history. Its influence can still be seen today in modern fighter training and aircraft design around the world.